Good evening everyone. This video is magbabalot ng ubi malagkit with cheese si Teresita. Ganyan lang ang pagbalot po. Please shout out and comment. Ganyan lang ang pagbalot ng ubi malagkit. Finish product is put to human finish, and then we start malagkit. Yun lang ang pagbalot. Ayan, babalutin. Here the finish. Yan lang guys, magbalot ng malagkit na bigas with cheese. Mikos and we will be successful. Okay guys, thank you for watching.